Hi and welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna make together Arabic breakfast, healthy and delicious. What we're gonna need: fava beans, parsley, lemon, olive oil, garlic, chili, tomato, cumin powder, salt. We chop the tomato. In this stage we're peeling the garlic. We chop the garlic and add it. And now to the chili. I'm using hot chili because I like it spicy. And now some parsley. We chop the parsley very fine to use it later for a delicious and amazing taste. Some salt and cumin powder. In with olive oil. I'm squeezing lemon for citrusy taste. In the final stage, I'm adding the chopped parsley. I like some more citrusy taste, so I add more lemon. And now let's enjoy the meal together. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe and like.